Hello there, OpenBB. It's me, Chris Turner, the freestyle rapper. I've been asked by you guys to do a freestyle rap for you guys to wrap up 2022, to shout out some of you and the things you've done, to celebrate some of the achievements this year, of which there are many. Let's do this. Let's make up a rap. I'm going to have to come up with about 100 ways to rhyme engineer, it seems. That's your entire team. Let's do this. Will it be any good? I'm hoping. Let's see. It's me, Chris T, out for OpenBB. BB like king or a ball bearing. So many facts I be bringing and sharing. I was told, you know you got 'em. Investment research terminal that is ever so modern. It's very thrilling the way that you're building. If you want to use slang, you could say that you're killing it. Why? Because you put that time. For everyone, I know this was designed. Who's it driven by? Well, of course, by the community. Who's open source? That's the OS. You know I turn the sound up. Let me say 2022 got a roundup. Got more things we can agree. You announcing the OBB, little bit of cash like the sofa you found, 8.5 mil in the seed round, that's incredible. I gotta give you the praises. You launched the BB bot, that's amazing. It's what we need, and not just it. You launched 2 more, the software development kit, the SDK, that would be the initial, and the ML and our AI toolkit, that be official. If you don't understand, that's machine learning. Don't let it get out of hand, and artificial intelligence. But you know, let me focus on the COO. Of course, how can we spit flames unless we know the names of the person? That's James. What does he do? Perfect, like an action movie. He helps OpenBB run smoothly, and hopefully I can focus on Shri. Product marketing, you're the VP. You're a total dream. You're leading the team. And Min, a product, you know what I mean. Is it an imposition to say that you position the product everybody like the price of admission? And Jeroen, I knowing that you're sent to universities to represent, and you do that with impunity. Who helps the users in the community? That's Darren, DARREN, and on Gonzalo Bernardo we depend to deepen relationships that are speedier. You connect on that social media and other things. My eyes go misty when I think of the design done by Christy, not Christy, surname Turner, but Christy, sounding like a nice little earner. What do? Yeah, you check, you got the Terminal Pro with the UX. That's the user experience. I'm just guessing. And then Rita, you could teach lessons on design, cause you do it all. We just bow down, Rita. We're in your thrall now. We know that Theo, I'm always fearing. Why? Cause he's the director of engineering. He's amazing, making me grin, cause he does the engineering, managing. And now Chavi, the first letters like my name. All-nighters, every night, not a shame. You make everything work. Yes, it's clear. Chavi, the late night engineer. And now Diogo, I know you've seen this. Everybody's like mathematical genius, like Russell Crowe in A Beautiful Mind. You can do the sums, multiplication, you could call it times or dividing. And now I've got to take a leaf out a book and say, this is my man. Look man, you know we got the hip hop, but I instruct the infrastructure with the DevOps. And now another engineer, you know we're gonna quiz it. Name is Henrique, working in analytics. And Fabian, oh, you can see Wonder Kid out there in QD. What do you need? What do you want? I'm Fabian and I develop Quant. What is Quant? I don't even know what I'm rapping. It sounds like a quantity. If I'm speaking Latin, what am I chatting? You know I'm having a little rap about Andrew, engineering manager, the options fan bot. Yes, in your heart, you know that you really don't like blue charts, so don't watch Avatar 2. It's just water. Colin, engineer again. I ought to come up with a whole dictionary of rhymes. You reduce the code base by how many times? By 60%. That's a huge factor. Juan, engineer. Yeah, I know that you bartend behind the bars, making sure you can move on. You stepped it up like climbing floors. You went from serving drinks to building OpenBB bots. Jose, engineer, yes, I know you've got. There's no product that you haven't touched. Apology if I kind of mispronounced it much, and it's Jose, not Jose. N not starting. Who works on machine learning? That's Martin, another engineer. The last but not the least. And now we know Meg. You went from a copywriting beast to invoices. You know you're on. Communications, I can shorten that to comms. So to OpenBB, happy holiday. And remember, there's no need to spend 24k. Boom. Look at that. I'm pretty pleased with that. We managed that. We fit it all in and the beat ended perfectly. That's a lot of info, but you guys did so many things. Well done for this year. Here is to a great 2023. But enjoy your holidays, enjoy New Year. And from me, Chris Turner, all the best. Goodbye.